In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Calendar on Windows 10 using the Windows 11 Calendar app, which is surprisingly one of the best built-in methods available. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's quickly touch on why integrating Google Calendar with your Windows device can be a game changer. By syncing these two, you can effortlessly keep track of all your events directly from your Windows taskbar, allowing for seamless organization without needing to open a web browser. This method essentially bridges the gap between Google's robust calendar system and your desktop environment, making it all the more intuitive to manage your schedules. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Calendar app on your Windows 11 device. Simply navigate to your Start menu, which you can access by clicking on the Start button or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once there, type in Calendar into the search bar and you'll see the Calendar app pop up. Go ahead and open it. Once you're inside the Calendar app, take a look at the left panel. There you'll notice a settings gear icon, a visual cue that indicates settings. Click on this gear icon, which brings up a few options. From this menu, select Manage Accounts. This tab lets you handle the accounts you have synced with your Calendar app. Next, find the Add Account option and click on it. When prompted with options of different account types, choose Google. This step is crucial, as selecting Google allows us to directly sync the Google Calendar with your Windows device. Now comes the sign-in process, which is straightforward. If you're already signed into your Google account elsewhere, you might experience a more streamlined process. However, if not, you'll need to log in by entering your Google account credentials. A web page will ask for permission to let the Windows Calendar app access your Google Calendar. Be sure to grant these permissions, as this step is vital for the integration to function flawlessly. Once you've authorized the app, voila! You should now see your Google Calendar events appear within the Windows Calendar app, anytime you click on the clock in your taskbar. These synced events should be there too, ready for you to view. The integration lets you not only view, but also add, edit, and delete events right from your desktop, providing a comprehensive calendar management experience without needing to toggle between multiple applications or devices. And there you have it. By syncing your Google Calendar with Windows, you can streamline your workflow, ensuring you always have your schedules and reminders at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.